The purpose of today is to try to bring recognition to what we do and let students know that are in the technical centers that we have opportunities to come out and see what we do and the products that we build and the industries that we serve. So we are a custom sheet metal fabrication shop. We fabricate anything out of stainless steel, steel, or aluminum. We do work for the Department of Defense. We do retail store fixtures. We do a lot of work for the marine industry at the railroad. So anything that people need fabricated out of metal and any type of metal, we need people, especially people from the younger generations that want to come in and learn this trade to keep these things going. Whether you want to do welding or whether you want to be a CNC machinist, there's many different opportunities within this shop. And if you come in and try welding for a couple of years and decide, you know what, I'd like to run a CNC machine, or I'd like to run a laser, or I'd like to learn about, quoting and estimating, things like that, and all aspects of the business. We like to bring people in and teach them all about the different types of things we do and how the business works. So there's many different opportunities within the company to grow and learn about different things.